Hi everyone, I'm back episode 2 or part 2 of episode 1. We've done some work on the Gorgar. Basically the main thing that we've done is we updated the power supply board with some new capacitors. The big orange one, which is not the original one, fortunately, is looks like it's still in good shape. Probably still need to replace it, but they're getting harder and harder to find that style. I've got the board, I've got things partially plugged in, and as you can see, we are in attract mode, which I didn't know that we would go. We've got a few light bulbs burn out here, but overall not terrible shape. We took the CPU board out and driver board and just set it up on the bench just to run a quick test before we did anything. Switched out the batteries. The batteries were the old Ever-Ready classic batteries from, gosh, the 70s, 80s. Fortunately, there was no real corrosion there to be had. We're still going to switch that out with a external battery pack at some point. But a quick power on, power off self-test, and we got audit mode, and then we tried it again, and we're now in attract mode, which is pretty awesome. Next step is going to be testing. We're going to go through, power things off, test the solenoids, the kickers and stuff first to make sure we don't have any dead shorts or dead locks. Again, because that could be serious damage if there's a deadlock on any of those. And then we'll come back and see if we've actually got some action working on it. But anyway, very exciting. Not as far gone as we thought. Hooray. Later.